for progressive pediatric cancer and rare diseases, time itself is a critical variable. How does NIH weigh the ethical cost of waiting for perfect data when children are losing from irreversible function in the meantime?
I mean, we take our commitment to studying rare diseases very seriously, because I've talked to so many parents now with patients, with kids who have rare conditions or with advanced cancer. And you're absolutely right, Patrick. Like time is of the essence. But the question is, like, what do you do there, right? Do you make a promise that you don't know is going to be kept? Is that kind of sort of the right thing to do? Or do you give them the care that we know is the best available and then put them in a setting where their experience can inform the outcomes of others? Sometimes it works out, like you get a major advance and then all of a sudden you can treat lots of other people with the same thing. But often it doesn't work out because you're essentially trying to do experimental therapies that we don't know for certain. The ethical obligation we have in science is to not lie to people.
In practical terms, it's very unusual that we have something that we really think is going to work that we would not use or would forbid a patient to get. Part of the issue, though, really goes beyond the NIH, and part of this involves interaction with the FDA. And I know the FDA, so you need, in order to start a new clinical trial with a new agent, FDA needs to approve it in something called an IND, initial new drug application. So I think that's initial. And so I will say we're in good shape. We have an FDA that is very willing to change things and is very willing to respond to deficiencies in its system and is very motivated to make things go faster.